Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Custard powder is a savior when it comes to making desserts quickly and easily. Now I have made several custard recipes before. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out as well. Today I'm going to share a lovely custard pudding recipe which has got all these nice layers. We're going to layer it with biscuit base, chocolate ganache, custard and fruits. So this is very interesting and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started and check it out. The first layer for the pudding is the biscuit base. For this I've taken 250 grams of tea biscuits. You can use Marie biscuits or digestive biscuits. Roughly break the biscuits, add them to the mixer jar and grind them to a nice fine powder. Transfer the powdered biscuits to a bowl. To this I'm adding about 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. Just mix everything well. The ghee will help to bind the biscuit powder. You can also use softened butter if you don't have ghee. Use your hands and make sure you mix everything well. So now when you hold the biscuit powder in your palm, you can see how beautifully it's holding shape. So this is how you want it. So we're going to layer the custard pudding in individual cups. Take 2 tablespoons of the biscuit powder to a cup and gently press it down on all sides. Make sure it's nice and even. Just tightly pack it and smoothen it. Once you pack the biscuit base nice and tight, refrigerate it till we make the custard. So next step is to prepare the custard. To a bowl, add about half cup of boiled and cooled milk. To this, I'm adding about half cup of vanilla custard powder. Mix it all well till it's completely dissolved in the milk. So now we have the custard mixture that's ready. Keep this aside. Now to make the custard to a nice deep saucepan, I'm adding 1 liter of full cream milk that's been boiled. Once the milk is heated, reduce the flame to a low and gradually pour in the prepared custard mixture. Keep stirring it continuously while pouring the custard mixture. You don't want any lumps to be formed. So after you've poured the custard mixture, increase the heat to a high and start mixing it well. So next I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of granulated white sugar. Mix that in. So you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. So you can see the custard is thickening gradually and you can see it's got a lovely silky smooth texture as well. Keep whisking it continuously. It's nice, thick and creamy now. The custard has a nice dropping consistency. Transfer the custard into another bowl. The best way to cool it immediately is to place it into another bowl of water because we need to layer the custard when it's still in its dropping consistency. This will help to cool the custard fast and bring it to room temperature. Just keep whisking it so it doesn't set or form lumps. So now the custard has come to room temperature. Remove it from the water bath and keep it aside. Next I'm going to make the fruit mixture. To a bowl, add 1 chopped banana, a few seedless grapes that have been cut into half, add a few pomegranate seeds, add 1 apple that's been finely chopped. You can see all the fruits have been cut up to the same size. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it with the fruits. Make sure all the fruits are coated with the honey. So this is going to give a very nice mild sweetness to the fruits. The fruit mixture is done. Keep it aside. The next layer is the custard layer. Pour a little bit of the custard onto the biscuit layer. And spread it out evenly on all sides. The third layer is the layer of fruit mixture. Add a little bit of the fruits and spread it out evenly. Now you can use any fruits of your choice for the fruit custard. Now pour another layer of custard on top of the fruits. So that will be your 4th layer. Gently spread out the custard on all sides. You can actually see those beautiful layers. Let the custard set for about 10 to 15 minutes in the refrigerator. After 15 minutes, you can see the custard has set a little bit. It's become a little firm on top. Now I'm going to add the last layer, which is the chocolate ganache. Spread it out evenly on all sides. I've made a video earlier as to how to make chocolate ganache. You can check that out. I'll give you the link in the description. Leave it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. So finally, I'm going to garnish it with some chopped nuts. So here is this 5-layer custard delight that you can easily make at home. Just make sure you follow all the steps. Remember to refrigerate the custard at every stage, right from the biscuit base to the custard and finally the chocolate ganache. I'm sure you're going to get it perfectly if you follow all the steps to the T. A spoonful of that cold custard delight will be absolutely divine. So there you go, here is this amazing custard delight with all those lovely layers which are unique in its own way. Now this dessert is best served chilled, so make sure you refrigerate it and serve it nice and cold. You can use any fruits of your choice to make this particular dessert, so do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.